Good morning, Dingo. How you guys doing? Eric here. Today is Sunday, March 14th, 2021. Day 2 of Winter Storm Xylia. This is what we're waking up to here. I'm a little hungover this morning. Had a good time last night. Huh, Dingo? Have a little too much fun? Yeah. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know how much snow is out there. It's not that bad. Not quite as bad as we thought it was going to be, huh, Dingo? Dingo's like, I don't want to go out there. But let's look. Look out the front door here. The front window. You see, I don't know. Not even 2 feet of snow, but there's a lot of snow out there. It's gonna take a lot of work. You see, I got my Jeep parked out there outside the gate, so I don't have to shovel the whole driveway if I want to drive somewhere. So that was the idea, you see. Yeah. Fuck. We'll see how much snow how much more snow we get. I don't know how much snow there is. I'd say there's about 2 feet. Solid 2 feet of snow out there. I saw a car go by, so the road is open. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock out there. It's like 7:30 in the morning. And this is what it looks like. Day 2 of Winter Storm Xylia. How much more snow will we get? We shall see. Right now, I need a cup of coffee. Okay, let's have a look at the radar this morning. Damn, that is a storm. You see, Winter Storm Xylia, parked right in the middle of the country, just dumping snow from Nebraska, South Dakota, Wyoming, Colorado. Still snowing over in Utah, down into New Mexico. Severe weather. Looks like Nebraska, Kansas. What's that state over there? Iowa, Missouri, down into Oklahoma. Some severe weather in Texas. Wow, what a map this morning. Look at over here. Lots of snow on the East Coast too, it looks like. They're getting dumped on over there. Maine, New York. They're getting some snow up into Canada. So yeah. Interesting looking map this morning. Winter Storm Xylia. It looks like another storm's coming into the West Coast too. Holy crap. Well, it's time to make some breakfast and start shoveling. What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter, buddy? Huh? What's the matter? You don't like all that snow out there? You don't like all that snow out there? It is funny, man. Look at the forecast here for Netherlands, which is 10 miles from here. This is the nearest town to me. Forecast says 3 to 5 inches of snow expected today. I'm thinking they're going to get 3 to 5 inches of snow in 1 to 2 hours. I think Netherlands will get more like 10 to 20 inches of snow today. This forecast is fucking ridiculous. And it says tonight less than 1 inch of snow expected. That's possible, but this 3 to 5 inches in Netherlands is just ridiculous. It's at least 3 times that much is going to fall in Netherlands today, it looks like. Man, look at that shit come down. Most impressive. It's almost buried my fence out there. But still, yeah, I'd say it's about a solid 2 feet we got. Not quite as huge of a storm as they forecast. We can still get that 3 foot mark, I'm saying. I'm going to probably get at least 3 feet out of this storm before it's done. Holy shit. It's already 10 o'clock. I forgot about the time change. But I'm sitting here just chilling out through a winter storm. Waking up this morning, a little hungover, but that's all right. Looking at all the fucking snow out there. Thinking about, Dingo's like, I gotta go out and take a piss, man. So, I'm just sitting here watching some Van Halen videos, man. Hell yeah. Thanks to Jason S, man. Made me want to hear some Van Halen this morning. Fucking still dumping out there. But I'm gonna have to shovel off, at least shovel off this back, so Dingo can go out there and take a leak before I make my breakfast. Dingo says, I gotta take a leak. I gotta take a shit, man. You gotta shovel me out a place to shit. All right, man. Fuck. It's bad, man. I'm gonna watch how much snow comes in the house. Holy shit. Oh God. God. See how deep that shit is? Holy crap. That's the beginning. The temperature's staying at a solid 20 degrees. Oh. Holy shit. Well, that's a start. That gives you a little room to go out there and take a shit, Dingo. Man. Whew. I got some work cut out for me. I was smart enough to park my Jeep out there so I don't have to shovel out this whole driveway right away if I want to go somewhere. But my other car's in the garage, my good car. But at least I got some kind of transportation. So,